Cap 26, Statistics, Affairs, and Hobbies. Good morning, and I hope you're doing well today. I'm going to put this little guy together, Schlitzie. And I'm going to open up this Combi U.S. Chemicals compound. Squeeze a little bit out, not that much. Apply in here. I need a little bit more. This stuff smells a lot, so just beware. If you want to wear a mask, wear a mask. Okay, put that over there. Put that like that. I'm hoping to get this together with this compound. It is contacting each other. So I'm going to have to lay it like that. Obviously, I'm going to put the arms on with the same compound. I'm going to cap this off for now, but you get the idea. That's got to dry for about a day or so. I may use green stuff to put these on. I don't know, but that's on there good. I just used a brace it up, shore it up so it dries. He's a really cool little figure. Much loved character in the freak show arena. I don't know how he was personally, but he looks like a happy guy. I thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Please rate, subscribe, give the thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000 in reviews and subscriptions. And I appreciate you watching. Bye for now.